mentorship which is available for you, again, completely free of cost. We have over 120 mentors from across the world, Muslim women just like you who have achieved great successes in their careers. They act as mentors to these young women. So we have coaching as well. And we have a network of professionals. So the Led By team is led by fantastic women, some Muslim, some non-Muslim, and here we are available for you 24/7 throughout your journey into the workforce. What we are encouraging you to do is to check out our programs, go onto our website, follow us on social media, and encourage more women to join the workforce, to become financially free. These are the two programs that Led By has.
So, Led By Foundation, which is the foundation that I represent, works for Indian Muslim women because of the numbers. The numbers speak for itself. Led By Foundation has done enough research, and here are some numbers for you. So, Muslim women only represent less than 1% of India's workforce today. However, in terms of population, Muslim women are 8% of India's population. So what we want to do is, we want to ask questions. We want to say, where are these Muslim women? If you are 8% of India's population, where are you? We are here today working, developing professional skills, leadership skills to make sure that that number does not stay at 1% but actually grows to 8%. We have fully funded virtual programs that we run, which is on leadership development, professional development, workshops, mentorship, coaching, which is available at your fingertips. All you need is access to internet, you need a smartphone, and you have the programs available for you. So I would encourage all of you Indian Muslim women, men who are listening to this, to please encourage the women to please join our programs, apply to our programs so that they can pave their own way for success.
Ma'am, at the same time, as you mentioned, you're requesting, but at the same time, especially when it comes to Muslim community, once they get married, the taboo is there, your job is to sit at home, cook food, produce children. So what's the message for those kind of people?
So the message is, continue to stay ambitious. I'm sure women today, and I speak for myself, women have a lot of ambitions. Now you may have challenges in your family, you may be restricted to your home. There is nothing to stop you from starting something from home. The pandemic has actually encouraged us to start our own businesses from home, start our own initiatives, ideas from home. If you are a wonderful baker, start a home baking service. If you stitch very well, start doing some work for your local community and for your locality. There is nothing stopping you. Start small. We will encourage you and tell you how to make it bigger. But there is nothing stopping you from doing anything from home either.
Now, if they want to approach you, want to tell the email ID or website,
yes.
contact
So our website details are www.ledby, that's ledby.org. Applications for our program have opened today. Applications are live till January 30th. I would encourage all of you to apply because it's fully funded, it's free of cost, it's virtual. And if you are looking for more details, all our details are available on our website, or you can follow us on Instagram as well. We are available on @LedBy Foundation.
So after coming here, that 20% of entrepreneurs are ladies. That is a very good thing. I really appreciated that. And also, see, in our, especially in our community, for ladies, there is no much socialism is not there. So because of that, they don't, even they have the talent, it's difficult for them to grow. But if such kind of platforms will come up day by day, so it's really helpful for them to promote their business and to grow, which is the need of the hour now.